Hello friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Please subscribe to Big Foodies to get the latest recipes and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest notifications. Friends, today we are cooking Shahi Khichdi. Shahi Khichdi is a dish which can be made at the time of any festival celebrations in your family. Plain khichdi is a favorite for many of us, so let's make this khichdi with some royal touch to it. You can see that how delicious and tempting it is looking. Before making this delicious dish, let's check the ingredients first. Hello friends, for making Shahi Khichdi, we have taken some khichdi. Now let's fry Shahi Khichdi. For frying the khichdi, we have taken around 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. Now add a pinch of asafoetida. Two teaspoons of cumin seeds. 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, allow the cumin seeds and mustard seeds to splutter and roast nicely. Once cumin seeds and mustard seeds splutter, add bay leaves. Roast the bay leaves. Now add chopped ginger and garlic. Roast it for a minute. Once ginger and garlic are roasted, add chopped curry leaves. So I like to chop my curry leaves because while eating, they don't come whole in your mouth and they're very healthy, so you can eat them too. Now add 2 whole red chilies. Break them while adding. Now add chopped green chilies and onion. We have taken 1 medium-sized onion. Add a little salt, it will help the onion become soft. Cook the onions until they are soft and nice. Once onion becomes soft, add chopped tomatoes. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder or as per your taste, two teaspoons of coriander powder. Mix the spices well with the tomatoes. Cook it for 2 minutes on a medium flame. Now we'll be adding the soyabean chunks into the tomatoes. So we have soaked the soyabean chunks for 15 to 20 minutes. We need to soak them in a warm water for 15 to 20 minutes so that they are nice and soft. Now add the soaked soyabean chunks. Chopped potatoes and carrots. So we have not boiled the vegetables. So we will be cooking them for 5 minutes till the vegetables are soft and nice. Keep the flame on medium while you are cooking it. Add the salt as per your taste. We already have added the salt in the khichdi, so remember to add the salt only for the vegetables. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix it well. Now add half cup of water. It will help in cooking the vegetables nicely. Now cover it for 5 to 7 minutes until all the vegetables are nice and soft. So it's been around 7 minutes and the potatoes are soft now. So now at this time we will be adding the frozen green peas and chopped capsicum. So if you are using fresh green peas, you can add at the same time when you are adding the potatoes. We have used the frozen green peas, which doesn't take time to cook. That's why we are adding at this time. Now add half cup of yogurt. Keep the flame on medium while you are cooking it. Mix it well. So after you add the yogurt or curd, we need to bring it to a boil. Now add 2 cups of water or as per the consistency of khichdi you want. Keep the flame on high and bring this to a boil. So once water comes to a boil, if you have kept the flame on high, reduce it to medium. The khichdi. Mix it well. So after mixing it well, bring it to a boil and simmer on a medium-low flame for 5 minutes. Then our khichdi will be ready. Now the khichdi is ready. Top it with some cilantro leaves or coriander leaves. Mix it. So our Shahi khichdi is ready. Now we can serve it. So friends, we have served Shahi khichdi and it really tastes very delicious. If you want to give it little more richness, you can also add cashew nuts and some cubes of paneer while cooking it. It will give even more richness to the khichdi. You can also garnish it with some ghee for extra flavor. Enjoy this khichdi with your friends and family and it really tastes very delicious and yummy. You can serve it with some papad, yogurt or pickle on the sides and it will add a nice flavor to the khichdi. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for many more delicious recipes, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.